Okay, you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take any Mac really and reinstall the OS on it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go and close out of this so you can see what Mac version we are running. We're going to go to the Apple symbol and we're going to go to shutdown. Because what we're going to do is boot up the Mac into recovery mode, which you can actually do a couple of things there. You can reset your Mac password that way. You can do a full reinstall of the Mac OS. So like let's say if you're selling this and you need to wipe everything off it, usually a good deleting all your data and then doing a good reinstall will do that. So I like hooking up an additional keyboard that is corded and not wireless because I feel like it's better in most instances. So what we're going to be doing is a simple command. Once our Mac shuts down here, we're going to do a simple command. We're going to power on the Mac and we're going to hold down Command and R at the same time. And you're going to do that until your Mac boots up and hits the Mac symbol. And then once you see that, then you can let go of those keys and it should boot up into the Mac recovery thing. Now on the Windows keyboard, it's going to be the same command is going to be the Windows key R. And you're going to hold that down at the same time. So that'll boot the Mac into recovery mode. So I'm still waiting for this to shut down. Once it shuts down, we'll pick it up from there. Alright, our Mac is fully powered off. So now we're going to go ahead and hit our power button down here. And we're going to do Windows R and hold it down until we get our Mac icon coming on the screen. You can hear the Mac is now booting up. So keep holding down those two keys. And like I said, if you have only a Mac keyboard, do the Command and R key. It's the same thing as the Windows R. So once you see the Apple symbol come up and starts loading, you can go ahead and let go of those keys because it should now boot into our recovery mode. So like I said, we're just going to wait for this to load up. I'm going to pause it because this can take a little bit longer, especially when you boot into recovery mode. So I'll pause it and we'll pick it up when it gets done loading. Alright, once we get to this screen, the macOS utility, if you want to reset your Mac password, if you did forget your Mac password, you can actually go up to, I believe it's the utilities section, and you open up terminal. Alright, once you typed in reset password, you can, and like I said, reset password with no spaces, as you can see there. You hit enter, and then this will eventually come up. Now, you see I have two drives because I have two drives in this Mac, but I would just click on my drive and next. And then you can see, usually if you have more than one user, you will have a drop down of different users to select, but I only have one username. And I would just do new password, and hit next, and then I'll reset my Mac password. But today we're not going to be doing the password reset. We're going to be doing a complete reinstall. So we're back at the utilities. Now we click on reinstall the Mac OS. Hit continue. It's going to tell us what drive we want to select right after this page. So we hit continue. And wait for this to load. And then agree to the terms of service. And then you can choose what drive you want to do. We're going to do our second drive there. So hit install. So now it's going to be formatting that drive. If there was any data on it, it'll be wiping that data and reinstalling the entire Mac OS. So once this gets done, it's going to reboot your Mac, and you should have a brand new version of Mac. So there you guys have it. Well, not a brand new version, but it's going to have a fresh install of Mac OS. So then you can sell it to someone, give it away, or whatever you might want to do with your Mac. Thanks to you guys. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.